Heavy rain accompanied by thunderstorms and strong winds hit the national capital again on late Thursday night. People took refuge at night shelters as heavy rain lashed the national capital. The sky turned dark late in the afternoon, following which rain lashed parts of Delhi. The weather department has predicted that on Friday the maximum and minimum temperatures will be around 19 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius respectively. According to SkyMet Weather, this January, Delhi rains have already broken record of reporting highest rainfall in the month in the last 10 years. An ETV Bharat report.